I'm Dave Pankhurst, I'm BT Group's Drones Director. I think the MNO in the drone industry can be as broad or as small as it wants to be, but the important thing is to make a decision now. Over the next few years, the regulation's going to be moving at pace, and the role of an MNO can be really critical in that environment. Some may look at it and just go, oh, we just want to provide connectivity services. Others may go through, actually we want to help this industry develop, so as small or as big as it wants to be. So I think for an MNO, you could, as an MNO, just go, hey, we want to use drones, we want to adopt them more, help our mobile network become more efficient and effective by inspecting our towers, be more proactive. You could look at it and go, actually, we want to provide connectivity services into the drone industry, or do we actually want to provide drones into the industry itself? For us, we're very much looking across categories of airspace management, connectivity, detection, drones themselves. But I think it's really clear, do you as an organisation have the time? Do you have the investment? Do you have the strategy so it doesn't become a pet project in your organisation? Because it requires a lot of commitment, a lot of work with the regulators to make it impactful. So we're starting off on a blend of a story. So BT Group, we've got detection capabilities where we support public services and defence in terms of the concerns around drones, whilst in parallel we're building out the success of the industry. So we launched our first commercial drone sim towards the end of last year. We're building out that capability over the course of the next 6 months, and then moving more into airspace management, detection, enabling more drones to get up into the sky.